So while we're waiting on him, I'm gonna show you what I got in my. There you go. So this is the box it comes in. It's a subscription with Sephora, $10 a month, and you get sample size products. Sometimes you get full size products, but this is my first box, so we're gonna see if this is worth it at all. And someone, another video I was watching on YouTube that got the box this month said it was the Sephora anniversary, the play box anniversary or something like that. So you got like something extra in there. So let's see what I got, if I can't even get the box open. Okay. Okay. So you open it up and it looks like this. It says love, tips, tricks, and beauty hacks. Sephora.com/play. We have this. Tells you what all is in your box. Oh yes, and then you get this $50 beauty insider points with every box. Whatever you buy in store or online, they give you these 50 points automatically, plus whatever you purchase. So you can buy something for like $5 and then get this $50 points as well. So it comes in a little baggie like this. This is a jean like baggie. It says Play by Sephora with red straps. And let's see what I'm supposed to have in my box. So the other side of it tells you what you're supposed to have in your box. So let's see. First thing I pick up is Origins Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. And I didn't see anyone else with this in their box. So they're all different. You kind of customize them to your liking. So this, it says definition of detox, a gentle yet highly effective charcoal mask that draws out impurities for clearer pores. I'm excited about that because I have issues with my pores. And then I have this. So I guess this is the bonus for this month for their anniversary. They give you a fragrance. It says this is the Gucci Bloom. And this blend evokes a garden growing wild with rich jasmine bud and Rangoon creeper. Ooh, let's see if I can smell it. So my battery went dead, but that was Gucci Balloon. And it smells really good. I sprayed it on my hands. It smells good. Alright, let's see what else I got in here. I got a Caudalie Vino Source Cream Sorbet Moisturizing Sorbet. Apply morning and evening to face and neck, either by itself or after your serum. It says this is the best-selling gel cream that hydrates, soothes, and softens even the most sensitive skin. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. So this looks like a full size product. This is a Diva Curl It's That Good Super Cream. It says a versatile styling cream that smooths, defines, and conditions curls. Yeah, I'm loving that. I like natural hair products. And then we have Marc Jacobs. This is a Marc Jacobs mascara. It says a velvety, no clump mascara that creates voluminous lashes with a unique curvy brush. And I love mascara, so I'm all about that. So can't wait to try that. And last, I got the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, Pore Minimizing. So let's see. So yeah, my box is very different from the other boxes that I've seen for May. So yeah, that's exciting. I thought I knew what I was getting, and I didn't. Only thing that's in my box that they got as well is the Marc Jacobs mascara. Everything else is different. So yeah, I'm excited. And this is my first box. I feel like I got quite a good amount of products for 10 bucks, and I'm excited for next month. You can't really tell about these subscription boxes and how they're gonna be until like at least a couple months of getting it. So far so good. So we'll see what I get next month, but I'm excited. I like everything I got. I probably will use everything I got, as I'm always want to try new masks. They gave me a lot of stuff for pores, so that's, I did put that in my profile. So yeah, I'm excited. Thanks for watching. Bye.